Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Victoria community, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about very interesting and awesome project, guys. So here I will explain how you have to join this, how you can buy this token, and I will explain you to each and everything, guys. You have to don't skip any part of the video, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join this awesome platform, guys. So before starting the review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further my amazing videos, guys. So let's start the review now, guys. Here is on screen you can see very interesting project, guys, which is about research mana. And before starting the video, I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here is the Wizard Mana official website in front of you, guys, and here I will explain you to how you have to join and buy this awesome platform, guys. Here you can see it is officially launched on Pink Sale, guys, and their pre-sale stage one started now, and this is the AI tools hub that's powered by Wizard Mana, guys. So here you can see their pre-sale is started. That's earned in after some days, 6 days, 8 hours, and 3 minute 28 second after. Guys, basically it is on Solana blockchain. How you have to buy this awesome token, guys? You have to simply connect your wallet which wallet you are using like MetaMask, Phantom, Solfair, and you have to put their Sol. At least you have to do 0.01 Sol for your network fee, guys, and you can then buy easily this token, guys. So you have to get ready for Visit Mana on Solana that as I have explained earlier, and their pre-sale started, guys, now. And this is the basically AI tool hub that's powered by Visit Mana, guys. And this is the live since 2023 March. Here you can see, and 800 plus AI tools listed, review and tutorials also created in our directory, and getting thousands of visitors from our search engines per day. So their pre-sale is divided into different stages, guys. First stage is now started. Second and third will upcoming in your some days. So guys, here is our very tutorial music, thrilling music about AI Wizard. You have to must listen this. This is very awesome and cool, guys. Here is our official contract address, which you have to copy this, guys. And our token name is Visit Mana and symbol is WICM. And here you can see our decimal, which is 9, and total supply is 1 million. Here you can see total soft cap, hard cap, our pre-sale start and end time 2, guys. So here is Vism and Visit Mana, guys. Here I have to explain about their tokenomics. Guys, 1 billion total supply, and here how you have Visit Mana total supply is divided someone to in community, in team, things, public sales, reserves, and also their private sale, guys. This is the biggest news for you guys, Vism airdrop, where you have to get 12.5 Vism total supply will be airdrop rewarded to the Wizard Bank over the years. So this is the largest allocation at once, and 1% will be airdrop to our community in first airdrop round. So you have to join our airdrop. And guys, this is our very exclusive roadmap, as I have to explain in my all of the videos. If you have to join our platform, you have to must read their roadmap, and it's give you all information about their past and future development about the project, guys. So as you can see, this is a established online presence as launched in March 2000. And guys, this is very optimized for SEO growth and also traffics for the making new ATHS. So guys, this is basically AI tools test and that I have explained you to earlier. And in second phase, we have to drop our airdrop guys build, and then we have to airdrop directory listing. After that, we will do our bounty programs launch. We will start it, and then we have to initially offering directories of our listing guys, and then we have to do our pre-sale and launch, which is a pre-sale as I have explained you to in our pink sale that it is divided into different stages, 1, 2, and 3. First stage is started, and 25% of wisdom is reserved for the pre-sale. And guys, this is listed on the coin Gco and coin market cap, and also on other exchanges will be listed in upcoming days. So this is our that's of all major platforms, and increase focus on page SEO guys, and also on CEX listing, and AI Wizard is listed on 200 plus AI tool directories guys too. And this is very integrated into AI Wizard, and no professional website design guys. It's time to upgrade, and by using professional web design agency we have the sickest website ever. So AI Wizard OG NFT drop and also promote their market cap, their NFTs, style books, and they will also publish their first review also on AI tool directory too, guys. So Web3 AI tools also spell book, and also their game beta launch will launch in upcoming days. This is the what the our future bring, guys. This is our very beautiful profile pictures. Have to any question guys, so you have to must join our telegram community. Here you can see this is our official telegram community. You have to join this. You can all upcoming information get in our community guys. So this is all of about wisdom that I have explained you to in our pink cell guys. Here is the white paper. If you have any question, any query about, here is also available each and everything about Vism, like our introduction, pre-sale, what is Vism mission, vision, search stage, business model, also our roadmap, tokenomics, uses case, burn and airdrop, and each and everything is guys available in this section. So you have to download this, and you can read all about of our vision guys. So this is our Twitter official account, AI Wizard guys. What you have to do, you have simply follow this like I am following here, and here you have to find and learn how to use the top new AI tool with AI Wizard guys. As you can see our total followers too. There is our pink scale link also available, and our tutorial, our each and everything is available on our Twitter official account, guys. Guys, here you can see it is listed on the coin Zico, and here is current price that's changed about 0.1615 dollars, guys. And this is easily you can buy this, and our total market cap which is about 160 million guys, and Vism token will be powering by the AI Wizard.ai hub too. So here you can see our completely bluish graph. That's their price. They will be completely bluish, and it's pumping. And you have to help us to. You have to join this awesome platform. You have to increase their price too, and you have to invite your family and guys, friends also here. And it will be completely bluish and at top of the all of the in cryptocurrencies guys. After joining Visit Mana pre-sale, you can get different rewards. This very golden opportunity for all of the Visit Mana who has joined this awesome platform, guys. If you join this airdrop, you can get different rewards, guys, too. As I have described in the video, Wizards Mana pre-sale stage is live on Pink Sale, guys. So you have to just celebrate, and Stradin tokens have been allocated for an airdrop. So you have to don't miss this magical opportunity, guys. You have to get profit from this awesome platform. So if you 10,000 random participant who complete simple task will each review get 1,000 Vism tokens. Guys, there are different amount of tokens will be for you. If you have what you have to do, you have to perform a simple task and then you can get your Vism token too. So you have to secure your token now and be a part of thriving AI community, guys. AI Wizard is the ultimate hub for all AI aspiring and to become the global leader in AI tools, guys. As here you can see Visit Mana very thrilling profile here too, guys. And this is very extensive repository of reviews and tutorials. The AI Wizards makes AI accessible for all of the skills level, guys, from beginners to the experts. If you are a beginners and then you become expert, so it will be provide you all type of skills, guys. So this is a very good thing for you. And powered by Vision Tokens, AI Wizards seamlessly integrates all of the Web3 and creating a vibrant ecosystem that uses access premium features and also drive growth. The innovative approach positions AI Wizards to revolutionize the AI tool landscape, guys. Here is our website, white paper 2. This is our distribution, guys, on 10 October 2024. And 10 million Wisdom is available. Basically, it is on as Solana blockchain. And you have to don't miss this golden opportunities because 5 days are remaining, guys. So you have to must join and you have also invite to your friends too. So how you have to join our airdrop, guys? You have to head over to visit one airdrop form and then you have to follow aiwizard.ai and like RT that you have to pin the tweet and leave a positive comment on the pin post and tag 3 friends. So guys, you have to simple join wizard mana airdrop form and then you have to tweet on pin post and then also you have to leave a positive and good comment and you have to tag your 3 friends. So this is very easy. You have to just simple do clicks and then you have to fill out the form with your Solana wallet address and detail too. So there in will be 10,000 participants will be their good news for they receive 1 billion Visium. And if number of participants less than 10,000 then everyone will get 1,000 prize. So this is the very exclusive for you guys. You have to stay tuned with airdropalert.com and you have to must join this global platform of airdrop, guys. So this is very exclusive for you.